Hi, I'm Dave Neaderland with Sound Control Technologies from InfoComm 2022 in India. And we're talking about our USB 3 1x2 device switch, which will accept one USB camera and switch between two computers as hosts. So this would be used in a conference room environment with a fixed PC and then a laptop at a table, or perhaps two fixed PCs. So we can either use the hot plug detect of the laptop being disconnected or connected, or we can move to a control system integration where we're switching between the laptop and the fixed PC in the environment. We can toggle back and forth with ease, fast USB switching. We have lots more information on this at www.soundcontrol.net. And thank you very much from InfoComm 2022 India.